Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today we're going to be going over the fourth grade worksheet. For the first set of problems, we're going to be comparing numbers using the greater than, less than, or equal to sign. So we're going to look at the highlighted problems. So let's look at number 1 first. It's going to be 2,346 and 2,338. So we see that the first number is greater, so we're going to be using the greater than sign in order to show that. Okay, next problem, 429 and 909. 909 is bigger, so we're going to use the less than sign. 1,467 and 3,741. Second number is bigger, so we're going to use the less than sign. Okay, so let's move on to the second page. So this one is ordering numbers, and the instructions say write the numbers in order from least to greatest. So when you look at the problem or the first problem, you have three numbers, 3,500, 35,225, and 34,350. So again, the directions say order from least to greatest. So you look and you find the smallest number. The smallest number is 34,350. And the next smallest number is 3,500. And the final number, which is the biggest, is 35,225. So these are your three numbers. Next, we have number 2, again, least to greatest. So you find the smallest number, which is 12,225. The next smallest number is 12,335. And the greatest number is 1,300. Okay, so those are your answers. So go ahead and try the rest of the problems. Next, we're going to be doing problem solving. So it says, read each problem and solve. So we'll be doing numbers 1 and 2. So number 1 reads, City A's population is 342,652. City B has 452,321 people. And City C has 353,319 people. Make a table that lists the cities in order from least to greatest population. Which cities' population are greater than 344,000? So, first we're going to make a table that lists from least to greatest. So, again, going to make a table, and we'll do least to greatest. So, the least number is going to go here, and the greatest number is going to go here. So let's compare the numbers. City A, City B, and City C. So you can see that City A has the least amount of people. So we're going to put A here for City A. Next, we have City B and City C left, and City C has the next least amount of people. So we're going to put C. And lastly, we have City B. So, which city's population are greater than 344,000? So, we're going to look at all of the numbers and choose the ones that have the number greater than 344,000. So, we can see that 342,652 is greater, and oops, sorry about that. That's smaller than 344,000. So that was wrong. City B is greater and City C. So we're going to write City B and C. Okay, now we're going to be doing number 2. Sarah and 4 friends bought apples at the store. Sarah bought 11 apples. The 4 friends bought 29 apples together. How many apples did they have total? So we're trying to find the total number of apples from Sarah and 4 friends. So we can see that Sarah has 11 apples and the 4 friends have 29 apples. So how many apples did they have together? Well, 11 plus 29 would be 0 and 40. So 40 apples total. Okay, so let's move on to the next page, which is going to be rounding numbers. So the first set of problems says round each number to the nearest thousand, so we're going to go ahead and do that. The thousands place is right here where the 4 is. So we'll be looking at the next number, which is right here, the next 4. And 4 is less than 5, so we're going to round down. So the answer would be 64,000. Okay, the next problem is the same thing. Look at this 0 and next number. Again, 1 is less than 5, so you round down. Okay. So those are your 2 answers. Let's look at the next set of problems. Round each number to the nearest 10,000. So here you're going to be looking at the 3 and looking down. So 9 is greater than 5, so we're going to be rounding up. So 1, 5, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next problem, again, you look at 10,000 and look down. So 1 is less than 5, so we're going to be rounding down. Okay, so go ahead and try the rest of the problems. I'll put up the answer key now so you can check your answers at the very end. Good job, guys.